In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your account number on a Revolut business account. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the process is quick once you know where to look. We'll walk through how to get to your account details, highlight what each field means, and show you where to find the intermediary bank information if you're receiving international payments. Have your Revolut business app or web dashboard open, and make sure you're signed into the correct business workspace. Start by heading to Home from the main menu. On the web, you'll find Home in the left-hand sidebar. On mobile, look for the Home icon along the bottom navigation. This is the central hub where your balances and accounts are grouped, so it's the best place to begin. Next, open your list of accounts. On the web, simply click your balance at the top of the Home view. That reveals all available currency accounts tied to your business. On mobile, tap Accounts. This brings up the same list in a compact scrollable view. If you manage more than one business or multiple accounts, take a second to confirm you're looking at the right workspace and balance. Choose the currency account you want to use. Your account number can vary depending on the currency and region, so it's important to pick the specific account you'll be sharing with a client or supplier. For example, a EUR account typically shows an IBAN, a GBP account includes a sort code and account number, and a USD account shows a routing number and account number. Selecting the correct currency ensures you share the right details the first time. Open the Details panel. On the account screen, click or tap Details. This is where Revolut Business displays all the information you'll need for incoming transfers. You'll see local account details for domestic payments, and often an IBAN and Swift BICE for cross-border transfers. Use the copy icons to grab fields like account number, IBAN, sort code, or routing number to avoid typos. If you're expecting a payment via Swift and the sender needs a correspondent or intermediary bank, go to the Global Swift tab within Details. Here you'll find the intermediary bank's BIC, along with any additional fields required for international wires. Share these exactly as shown, and ensure the beneficiary name matches your registered business name to prevent delays. That's it. From Home, into Accounts, select the right currency and open Details to view and copy your account number. Keep these steps handy and you'll always know where to find the correct details for any payment type.